Hello everyone, good morning. We are discussing class 6 subject English. Okay, in the last class we have studied lesson 12 working together. So today we will start from here. It took us a long time to make the ladder, but we succeeded in finishing it before night falls. Okay, so it took some long time, whole day to make a ladder, but before the night comes, they had completed making the ladder. We did this by shooting an arrow. Then we had to fix it to one of the lower branches of a giant tree. So in that tree there was a lower branch, means downward branch. In that branch they fixed the ladder. We did this by shooting an arrow with a rope attached to it. So over the branch. So on the end of the rope they tied one arrow and they threw it on the branch and they hanged the ladder. The ladder was then pulled up and fixed in a place. Okay, so finally the ladder was fixed in a particular place. It took us several days to make our house in the tree. So for them it took some more days to make the house on the tree. Okay, the younger boys helped by searching for planks on the seashore. On the seashore, the boys they went to looking for woods or planks to make the house. They loaded these on the bank of the cow and the donkey and brought them to us. Okay, so they brought the plank or wood tying on the top of donkey and cow, and they brought the woods to the place where they were making the house. Fritz and I were busy cutting away the branches in the middle of the tree. To make the house on the tree, they needed to cut some branches. So Fritz and I, means the writer, they were cutting the trees. Okay. Then we nailed down some planks and made a floor. So they put some planks together and they put some nails and they made the floor with a wooden fence around it, and all around they made it a wooden fence. With lakdi se ek fence बनाए and with plank they made the floor. Then we hang 6 hammocks on to some higher branches. Okay, they hanged, this hammocks means type of bed. The bed which they have made with plank, they hanged it onto the branches. Finally, we covered the branches above us with a sailcloth to make a roof. In order to make the roof, what did they do? They hanged the sailcloth. Then later on, I intended to make a wooden roof. Finally, after that sailcloth, they also decided to make the wooden roof on that top. The sailcloth which made the roof also formed 2 walls of the house. Okay, the cloth which they used as roof, the same cloth, the both side they used as walls also. The third wall was the trunk of the tree, and on the third side was the trunk of the tree, and there was fourth side left open. Then it gave us a beautiful view over the tree tops to the ocean, and from that place they were enjoying the beautiful scene from that ocean. Besides all this, I made a table and some benches which I placed at the tree top. Okay, so after this also they made some table and benches, and that was our dining room, and they placed it there and they used it for their eating food. Okay, by Sunday our home was finished. By Sunday they have completed making the house. That day we kept, as we always did, prayer. Okay, on Sunday for us it is a holiday, and they kept this day as a prayer day. On the Sunday they prayed, rest and pleasant talk, and on Sunday also they had interesting talking. Then they also rested on that day and prayed.